Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add Printify products onto your TikTok shop. So first off, you'll have to have a Printify account and you'll have to have a TikTok shop seller account. I do think that you need to be selling on the US for this to work because on some other region, TikTok shop works together with other online brands and they have different processes. So I'm pretty sure that connecting Printify onto TikTok, you'll need to have to be selling on US soil. But nevertheless, you just have to click on this button here, right? And you want to click on this, add a new store. And here, you can add a couple of shop here, like Etsy, Shopify, and TikTok. This is obviously the one we want. You can also do a pop-up store if you want. And we can also share here, right? So this is the one, TikTok US, but right, it says US. It's only on the US. So TikTok turns product discovery online into engaging. Currently, US only. So if you're selling products on other regions, unfortunately, you can't connect it yet. But once you're happy with it, you just can click here, connect to TikTok. And currently, US residency is required to connect a TikTok shop to Printify. And since I'm not living in the US, unfortunately, I can't show you the whole process, but I can show you the part where it's here. See, you want to create a new store, right? And just name it something you want. I'm just going to name it example. I'm going to click on connect. And they'll have a couple of things here. Like to sell on TikTok, you'll need to set up a TikTok seller account. With served by TikTok, you'll be ready to launch your store and connect to Printify. So you'll need to be approved by TikTok first, which seems a bit cumbersome, but it's all part of the process, right? And right now, you just have to click on this. I have a TikTok shop account and you have to select the seller shipping option on my TikTok shop. So make sure you do that extra step here. And there's a couple of facts here as well that you should read, like who can set up a TikTok shop and warn the registration guidelines. This one is important. Like applicants must provide accurate details of their business legal name, address, phone number, email address, and any other information requested. And one verified entity can register up to 5 seller accounts on TikTok shop, right? And there's also a couple of documents you need to register, like proof of US company registration and the company's owner's passport and or driver license. And for an individual seller, a US issued passport or a driver's license. And now, once you have read all of this, you just have to click on this connect, which will open a pop-up window just like this, right? And in here, it'll ask you to log in onto your TikTok shop here. Wait for it to buffer. But here, as you can see, TikTok shop seller, United States. And here, you just have to sign in here.